In the name of Allah, who is the most merciful and the most beneficent, who is the master of the day of judgment and the creator of this universe. Dear children, all sacred personalities presenting here, and all teachers and dear audience, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Today I am in front of your eyes, standing here on the mic. What is the reason behind it? Tell me that. What is the reason to stand here? Nowadays, it is Independence Day. 15th August, it is the Independence Day. It is known by freedom fighters. As you know very well, there are a lot of Indian freedom fighters across the world, across the India. But nowadays, especially Muslim freedom fighters like Allama Fazl Khairabadi, like Allama Kifayatullah Kafi, Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, and like these personalities whose very greatest person in the history of India, day by day, slowly disappearing from history, from our conversations, and from national celebrations. What is the reason? There's something is wrong. Why our people, why Muslim leaders hiding day by day from textbooks? Do you know what is the reason? Someone wants to raise the history of our people. Someone wants to delete the history of our Muslim leaders. So today I want to send a message. Today I want to spread a message to those people who wants to delete, who wants to erase our history. Listen carefully. Freedom is not a gift of a special society. It is not a gift of one society. Certainly, indeed, in fact, freedom is the blood of freedom is the blood. It is a result of blood, tears, sweats of Hindus, Muslims, Christians, Sikhs, and other people who try his best for this country. So we should remind their names. We should remember their names, and every day we should learn. We should teach our children about them. So thank you for listening me. It's the last message for you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.